Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to discuss about an error. First, I will read the error message. React Native command not found. I got this error when I tried to execute my React Native project. When I tried to start my React Native project, I got this error. So, I I will share the solution also. My error is React Native command not found. I got this error when I run the command React Native run iOS or run Android. React Native run Android. But I got this error, command not found. So in order to fix this error, first you need to do is install React Native CLI. I will read the command. First run this command. npm install -g. -g stands for install this package, this React Native CLI package globally, not only for this project, for everywhere, entire system. Okay, you have to do -g, then React native CLI. So this command will install React Native CLI. React Native CLI means React Native command line interface in your system. It will install globally. So after that, the terminal where you executed this command should close and reopen again. Then only it will be available for the next command. After close the terminal and open again, you can execute the command React Native run iOS or run Android. Okay, then you won't get this error. If still you got this error, make sure that the environment variable, the path variable set correctly to the React Native location where your React Native file is installed on your system. Make sure that the path variable assigned with the right path to the React Native file, which is already installed on your system. You have to check the right path and assign it to the path variable. Then this React Native command not found error will be solved. So main thing, make sure that you install React Native CLI globally and close the terminal and open it again. Still you get the error, check your path variable is assigned with the right path to the React Native. Otherwise you have to set the path by executing something like export path is equal to, you have to provide the path. It's based on your system. I cannot give that path. It is up based on your system. You have to check where the React Native is installed on your system. That path you have to set by executing this command. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.